on the way na kami. Where are we going again?
Patalpani Waterfalls.
Patalpani Waterfalls, here we come! Charis. Grabe, may monkey dito. Gala-gala lang. Kahit wala ka sa zoo, makikita ka mga unggoy. Nandito kami somewhere. Mga friend ni Abby. Pagala-gala lang dito sa pupuntahan namin. What are you having?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. So sabi ni Kuya, wag daw pupunta doon. Kasi nanakawin daw yung mga pagkain namin. Nung monkeys ay nawawala na sila. Is that potatoes? So this is the baon that Abby's mom made. It's papaya. And it's so sweet.
Papaya.
Not papaya pala. It's melon. And it's so sweet. I keep on saying papaya, it's melon pala. Hindi kasi ako pala kain ng prutas sa Pilipinas eh. Hi baby. Bibi yakin. Parang ang sarap nitong itapa. So we are here in Maheshwar with Abhishek Ji. Salamat. So what can we explore here? So I give this wet wipes to Abby. I gave him a wipes to clean his feet. But what he did was, what did you do? You just clean your feet.
It's hot mahal.
I gave it to him just to clean the foot itself. Because we are from inside of this Rajwada place. So funny pala. We both have different aspects.
Yeah.
My God.
Water level is too low for One more slowly coming back.
Meron na naman ako nakita dito. Ang sarap i-steak. Gawing tapa. Talagot ako. Bawal yan. Nandito tayo sa sa temple. Bad.
और ये इस इसी में एक्सेप्टेंस लेना है इसका बता
So many fishes. Oh my god. Make me shine.
Okay. Turn.
Ba't may mga naliligo dito? May mga naliligo dito, mga borta yung katawan. Mga borta.
मंदिर हूँ घर को बता